What up, crew? Today we're going to see how many one-handed riffle shuffles I can do in 60 seconds. Not going to be easy. So, let's do it. Okay, so the most difficult move I probably ever had to learn was the one-handed riffle shuffle. Right, so for those of you who don't know, this is what it looks like. You're just doing a riffle shuffle, but you're doing it all in one hand. Now, when you first start off, you're like, oh, that looks so cool. Probably not too difficult to do, but first half of your whole time doing it, this is what you're going to do. You're just going to clack cards together. So if someone asks, oh, what are you doing? I'm clacking cards. But seriously, you spend so much time learning how to faro these cards together, your index finger will be bruised. Like I had bruises on both sides. But anyway, what are we talking about? Yeah, so we're going to see how many I can do in 60 seconds. I don't think there's any point of bringing this out any longer. Oh, that was a nice one. All right, so check it out. I got my timer right here. You should have your timer on the screen. We're going to do one for good luck. Here we go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that sounded nice. This is it. This is it. Hit that start button, and we're about to begin. Here we go. All right. This is it. I'm telling you, this is not gonna be a whole lot. I'd be happy to get like 15. Especially because the cards just start bending at one point. Like you can probably already see the curvature in these cards. They just start bending so much, they become hard to faro. There we go. Hardness coming through. Hardness coming through. We're already more than halfway done. Jesus. Where did the time go? Where did the time go, yo? Oh my God, come on, come on. I want to do at least one more after this. Here we go, here we go. Come on, you got this, you got this. There we go. Like, look at this. Look at how much the cards have bent. Look at that. That's for just doing it for 1 minute. So after watching the playback, I was able to confirm that I got 13, just 13 one-handed riffle shuffles. It feels kind of weak to say that out loud, like, oh, just did 13 shuffles. That's, but hey, it's better than none. Seriously, I'm telling you though, doing the one-handed riffle shuffle feels like the coolest thing in the world. If you show up to a card table doing the one-handed riffle shuffle, they'll never play with you again. But you'll look cool for like the first 5 seconds, and then they'll never play with you again. It's a double-edged sword. Anyway, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know down in the comments below how many one-handed riffle shuffles you can do in 60 seconds. And if you have any other ideas for card challenges, let me know that as well. And once you've done all that, click on this playlist right here to see other challenges that I've done on this channel. So I'll see you there. Peace out. Yeah, it feels so good. Like, oh my God, I can't. Are we on?